Okay, so good evening, everyone. I hope everybody is fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो. So today we are going to start. जैसे मैंने कहा कि आज कुछ पढ़ाने के लिए नहीं है और मैंने आपको कल फास्ट टेस्ट पढ़ाया था सेकेंड फॉर्म वाला. So I just want you to just use it in practical way. That's why we have this wonderful spoken exercise, and that is really wonderful because बिल्कुल ये कहीं से चुराई हुई या कहीं से बोली हुई तैयार की हुई, there is no exercise in that way. It is very much your own speaking, your own experience sharing. So when you are sharing any incident of your life, and I have already told you to take any incident, it can be any story by you, okay, but priority will go to your happiest moment or the saddest moment or the first day in college, or if you have any better more interesting topic, you can take that also, but it should be related to the past incident. Okay, if you would like to share any kind of past accident also, which is very much in your memory, you can just share that also. Okay, so I hope you are completely ready, because pura past hai. When you start speaking, you just need to tell your mind that you have to use second form, you have to use past tense, because you are talking about the past incident this side. Okay, so let's begin. Who is going to express it first? Who is going to be the part of that first? Eddie, I know everybody has something or the other, so don't be must be you must be having a butterflies stomach, that oh my god, who will start. Chalo, let anyone start, then I will also start in second. You may have this thing also, but I just want you to share that thing first. कि भाई आपको कोई ऐसा इंसिडेंट हो जिन लोगों ने तैयार नहीं किया है, डोंट वरी, यू कैन एक्सप्रेस एनी वन ऑफ देम. एक दो सुन लो, उसके बाद बोल देना. चलो एक काम करते हैं, let me share very small moment of my life, and then you will add into that, means you continue with that. Okay, so then you will be second, then third, fourth, fifth. I'll be first one. So I would like to share the first day of my college, because that was really interesting and I really liked it. I was very eager, I was very excited to go to my college, because I I had heard a lot about college life, and my all senior didis of my colony, and they also used to share that college life was really interesting. We felt free. So I always heard these kind of things, and that's why I had a picture in my mind of college. So first day I went to college, and those days we used to visit our nana's house, that is in Gwalior. So I also went in summer vacation, and I was there when my father got me admitted in the college. My college is one of the prestigious colleges in Bhopal, and that is Sarojini Naidu Government Girls PG Autonomous College. And I was a science student. So my father, I got admitted in BSc, that was biotechnology. So I didn't want to take that, but my father told it is a good subject, take it, you would feel good. You can go into, you could go into a research work. You can be a researcher also. So I said, okay, no problem. So I went to college little late. My college started, I think it was started on 3rd July. It is the matter of 2000, I would say it was a matter of 2008, yeah. So when I went to the college, I was already late. My college started from 3rd July, but I joined college around 7th July. So it was pretty late for me, 4 or 5 days late actually. And let me tell you, when I was going to the college, I was very scared. I was excited and scared both. So I was very scared. I did not know anyone there. So I had a feeling, how would I make friends? To whom would I be talking? And there were so many questions I had in my mind. I was excited. At the same time, I was very scared also. My father dropped me to the college first day, and he told me that don't worry, everything would be okay. So I said, okay, let me see. Entered in my college. The gate was that was actually that is the dream college of every girl. It is a girls' college actually, and taking admission into that college is very difficult thing because lecturers are fantastic in that college. So it was a dream for me also to get into Sarojini Naidu, that is called Nutan College, which is the nickname of that college. So I was like very much into that dream of Nutan College. So as soon as I saw that, such a huge campus, huge building, and there were many buildings in the campus actually, girls around, all around, girls. I was studying in school, and then I got into a girls school. So I had that kind of excitement also, like only girls would be there and all the things. And then I had a little, scared. I was little scared about ragging also because somewhere that was also in mind that, oh my God, I had to face ragging. And people told me that ragging is, it is compulsory in the college, and that is very much into colleges, in ragging this happened, that happened. So I had that scare, the fear also in my heart somewhere that, oh my God, if I would be ragged, what would be the condition, how would I handle that, and so many things were there. So as soon as I entered in the corridor, or I would say in the gate only, so I saw I listened, somebody was calling my name. So I was pretty strange because I was not knowing anyone there. And when people were calling, somebody was calling me. So I turned and I saw my school friend was there. She was in my group only. But those days, mobiles, like for me, it was like we did not have mobile. So I did not talk anyone who is going to take admission in which course, in which college. So the thing was like when I saw my friend was standing there, and as soon as I saw her, I took her as Hanuman, for me, because I felt like, okay, somebody is at least there for me from my school. And she was also in biology only, so we were into the same section, and we used to have same classes, and all kind of things are same. We used to go to coachings together. So I was pretty happy when I saw Sadhna there. And the good thing is that the Sadhna lived in my area. Still she lives in my area. Lives means my home and her homes are like quite near. So as soon as I saw her, I took a sigh of relief. I took a relief that, okay, finally I got somebody. Sadhna joined school 3rd July. So she told me everything. We attended all classes, and it was so hectic for me because first day it was like I went to college 11 o'clock and I came back by 5:30. My father came 5:30. He took me. My friend Sadhna told me that I actually went by bus, so you can also join me. I said, okay, let me ask my papa. So if we can go together. So she said, okay, you ask, and then from tomorrow we can go to school and come to we can go and come together. I said, okay, no problem, let me ask. So this is how like I felt. First day I attended at least 5 classes including my practical, and that was so hectic. Practical because of that botany was there, and I was pretty bored. I felt very bored when I saw all that, plants and all the things. Teachers were, let me tell you, teachers were speaking all English. So I was very confused. Those days in 2008 and 9, I was not too much into speaking. So I felt very tough. I told my papa also that this is very difficult. People, all the teachers, all the lecturers talked in English. I am not able to understand. So my father said, no worries, you take 15 days and you would understand each and everything. Books were so big, I had never studied such heavy books. And I saw the library first day. Library was so huge. So it was so difficult for me to understand, to digest college life. So first day, my first dream was broken. That was college life is very it is full of freedom because I did not get any freedom. Only one freedom was there, that I could travel alone in a bus that was a public transport. It was bus, only one freedom was there. Otherwise, it was so difficult to study in college, especially for 6 months of my college. That is the actual experience of mine, and I never forget it. I can never forget any single moment of my the first day or my college. And in second year, we became so badmash company. We became so careless. Every teacher used to say that these girls, especially the group of Khushbu Tumar, these were the I would say these are the politicians. They would become politicians after their graduation, and they were very different girls. And I used to be like that only. But first year it was horrible for me. Okay, so this is what my experience is about my first day. Okay, and now I want anyone to come up with the other portion. So who will be the first one? See, I took it so natural. You can also do the same. I was not aware that it has become so difficult to express your own experiences. Chalo, let's start with Sarika. I can see she's quite ready. So let's start.
Definitely, I'll share one incident, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. So I'll just speak little Hindi also. So I hope, ma'am, you won't mind.
No problem.
Me-
You guys are quite mature speakers. You know where to use, what to use, when to use. Yeah, no problem.
Okay, ma'am, let's try. I remember one incident when I was in childhood. So, my mom took me, actually, I used to live in Mahu, Indore. So, Indore in MP. So, I born and brought up from there. But that time I was in fifth standard, and my mother took me in other village. There is a Harsola Gaon. So, we haven't been in Harsola that time, we had been there. So, we were very excited to see that all the things in village and all the things. So, my mama took me because her friend lived over there. So she has a daughter and one son also. So we went there to spend 3 or 4 days over there. So what happened when we went there? So their auntie's son was very stubborn, kind of, very naughty and very stubborn kind of. He was 5 years elder to me, and his sister was at my age. Is it okay at my age?
Of
Or like
mine.
my age?
Of
Okay,
mine.
of my age. So, ma'am, what happened? We used to roam there, and we used to roam over there, and I haven't seen over before that kind of, trees and tamarind trees and katha and something different kind of. So enjoyed a lot. But one morning, he took me and his sister for a temple darshan, and that temple was just across the river. There was a, I don't know, I don't remember that was a river or canal, but that was a little rapid flow of water, something, kind of. So people used to go people used to go for darshan from the through the overbridge, but that was quite far from where we stood over there. So he said, no, we will go for a shortcut. Or what, there was a one pole, not that was that electric pole was not working, but people put the pole line situation, and some youngsters or people used to go, keeping the steps over it, and they just cross the river. So his sister was very familiar to these things and all, but that was so totally new for me. And so but he was stubborn kind of, no, so he was insisting me, no, no, you have to go through this, and I'll hold your hand and blah blah blah. So but I was just scaring that time, but I was scared. So but he didn't understand, and he just held my hand, or he just trying to cross through this pool. Because so what happened in the meanwhile, when I reached before the middle, I just saw downside to my feet, and I saw water who was just flowing rapidly. So I just after that I just felt dizziness, and I just fell down. And when I fell down, as well as he was also fell down, because he hold my hand. So, ma'am, I thought that was the last day of my life, really, in this in this land, whatever you in this world. So, but we tried very far. But he and I didn't know swimming at all that time, and he knew very well. So he caught my hand and he dragged me towards the bank of the river, and that was a muddy thing and all the sloping kind of. That was not pakka pura type, mein. That was kind of something different. And but I don't believe, ma'am, how he dragged me to the river. And when I came out, and I literally started crying and all, and I was totally wet. And he told me, don't dare to inform your mom when we will reach over there. Understand? And we will go after 1 hour, let your frock and something, let it be dry then. So I was so scared and I just came back to the home and I didn't utter a word in front of my mom because, whenever I just saw him, he used to, he used to show me this kind of thing that was very naughty and very, that fellow. When I came and I said, my mom, I don't want to live over here that time. So my mama took me back to Mau, and then I narrated whole story, and that was my madam terrible thing. I can't forget that thing, really.
Yes.
And that fellow also.
I
And after that, I
totally
didn't see him. And once or twice he tried to call me, but I didn't talk to him, ma'am, really, because that was, I can't tell you. I don't know how I, मतलब बोलते हैं ना, what I say, that a savior is greater than slayer. Is it okay?
Ah,
But
I see.
he
Exactly.
was a, so that was an incident I remember. I can't forget entire my life. That was really very deadly.
And what was your age that time?
I was in fifth standard. I was in fifth standard, and he was must around 16 years old that time. He was. So he knew swimming. Now I know, but that time, ma'am, I can't tell you ki how I was. I couldn't feel my,
Course.
beneath my feet, floor and nothing at all. So that was, my mama also stopped talking after hearing this incident. She stopped talking to a friend also because she was so upset when she knew. That was my really last. I thought that was my very last day of my life. I thought, but thank
Exactly.
God,
Exactly.
really.
Okay, that was okay. That he was of actually 16 years. It is quite okay. It's okay,
But
but
I
of
was
course,
in
you
fifth
were
standard,
small.
so might be around 12 or something. Yeah.
And especially when you did not experience certain things, and then you experience first time, and that is that went so, it went very scareful. I mean, I would say that so scary thing, of course.
Ma'am, after that I vomit a lot because people used to wash their hands, and after being pooping over there, they used to wash it. I saw before crossing the road ki some people were just washing their back area and something. So when I just came up from the river, I did a lot of vomit and all because I drank water that time, and I saw, that was very pathetic day for me. Really, I can't forget.
I can understand, and that's why you are sharing here.
Yeah.
Exactly. Okay, so I can't say about that. Oh, a very good experience, but I would say that okay, very something which is really learnable. You can learn something from that. That yeah, बच्चों को don't leave any kid with anyone,
Right.
especially when
Right.
they don't know about you much. Yeah, and that is, I think, the same now. Don't leave your kids with anyone,
Right.
especially the
That's
people
true.
who are new to you. They don't know you. You don't know them. So yeah.
Right.
And you see, in playing only, many people, especially kids, they lose their lives. We can see now the most of the incident happen in this age only, and then yeah. So I would say thankful to the God that God saved you, and you are here
Yes.
to express that experience with us.
Right.
Exactly. Okay. So after Sarika's wonderful performance, we have Deepak. Deepak is going to share his experience. But before that, let's clap for her. She has really narrated it so well. Even I could imagine that river and how was she crossing that and everything. I could imagine, तो imagination level तक लेकर जाना, it is really good one, very nice.
Thank you.
Okay, chalo. So who will be there? Okay, Poonam is there. Poonam is ready to express herself. Yeah, Poonam.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, class. Today, I would like to share my happiest moment. And on 30th December 2019, I was very happy because my friend maid called me and told me that today UGC net result will come. And when I heard about that, I got scared about that. And when I was trying to open the site was hanged. And at 4 o'clock, when I opened the site, I entered my UGC net roll number, and I watched that I have played JRF, and that was an amazing and wonderful moment for me. And first of all, I told my father that I have played JRF, and he was very happy at that time. And ma'am, I was preparing from 2017 for this test, and after
Had been
2
prepared.
years,
Let us speak. I had been prepared.
I had been preparing from 2017, and in 2019 I got success. And ma'am, that was a very amazing day for me and amazing moment for me, and I can never forget that moment.
Yes, so true. Nobody can forget anything like that.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So are you sitting somewhere around, like outside? Are you in your room?
No, ma'am.
Where are you sitting?
Ma'am, actually, I am at home, so I am on the roof
Can you show?
because there is a
You're from Uttarakhand, na?
no, ma'am, Himachal Pradesh.
So of course the same things are there. थोड़ी बर्फ गिर जाती है. Can you show
Ma'am,
all around? How does it look?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It is also nice experience, you know, having live darshan of Himachal. It's quite dark, huh? Yeah. Chalo. So someday, if we get time, we can also see the original beauty of Himachal from your eyes.
Yes, ma'am.
It is a nice experience, and I can understand the moment you are sharing. Of course, some results are really awaited, and when they come, we become. This is the, I would say, the happiest when you feel like you are on the seventh heaven. Okay, so this is Poonam. Come on, clap for her also. Nicely, she shared her experience. Okay, next person who is going to next. Who's
Ma'am,
going to be
ma'am,
the-
excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
Yeah,
I
Poonam.
want to ask you something.
Please tell me.
Ma'am, जब हम
Repeat. जब हम बोलते हैं, there is some network issue, I think.
Hello, ma'am.
Hanji. Yeah, I can hear you now. Yeah, tell me.
मैम जब हम बोलते हैं ना कि हमने कोई एग्जाम दिया, तो मैम क्या बोलते हैं कि आई गेव एग्जाम.
I gave exam. हमने एग्जाम दिया तो उसके लिए बोलते हैं I have taken this exam और I took this exam. हिंदी में दिया होता है, इंग्लिश में उसे take
Yes, ma'am.
की फॉर्म लगा कर कहते हैं.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So you are a student ना,
Okay, ma'am.
you take exam and I am a teacher, so I give exam. मतलब मैंने आपको एग्जाम दिया है और आप उसे कर रहे हो like that. So exam taken होता है.
Yes,
I have
ma'am.
taken this exam this year like this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Chalo. So after doing this wonderful exercise with Poonam, who is going to have this next experience, is going to share the next experience. Okay, Anmol. So girl power is empowering this class today. I can see that. This is the 4th performance of a girl, and I don't know what happened to the manpower of the class. Yeah, Anmol.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi.
Sorry, ma'am. मैं fully prepared नहीं हूँ, but
हमें कैसे
try
पता?
करती हूँ.
Let's listen. सुनते हैं, देखते हैं.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when I was in 5th standard, my English teacher was Hari sir, and he was very strict. One day he gave to all a topic for learn, and next day nobody learned to this topic. So he finished to all, and he made to all a coke, and boys and girls to all, matlab. And next day all of us मैम उसको क्या बोलेंगे, सबके मतलब लेग्स में बहुत पेन होने लगा था ऐसे,
अच्छा, all of us
स्पेशली
had,
गर्ल्स के.
हाँ, so उसमें बोलेंगे all of us, especially girls, had pains in our legs. Simple sentence. Had pain in our
Had
legs.
Okay, ma'am. So especially the girls had pain in our legs. So, and I was not able to walk and going upstairs to downstairs, and then my grandfather knew that, and he went to school and scold to teacher, scold to Hari sir, and after that सर मतलब सर ने कभी भी ऐसे फिनिश नहीं किया था, तो उसको कैसे बोलेंगे?
Sir had never, after that, sir had never given such punishment. After that,
Yes, ma'am.
sir had never given such punishment.
Giving punishment, ना?
Given
punishment. Okay, ma'am. यही इंसिडेंट था मैम.
Nice incident, huh? Very good. And I
वो
want to tell
फर्स्ट
you.
टाइम मैं मुर्गा बनी थी एंड
Okay, and I want to tell you, मैं 4th class में थी. I used to be very fat. बहुत मोटी हुआ करती थी मैं, बहुत ज्यादा. And मेरे कॉलेज तक मैं काफी फैट थी. तो मैं मतलब पतली कभी रही नहीं. I had never been that, लकड़ी पतली दुबली लड़की. I was always fat. Now I am quite plump, है ना, like गोलू मोलू, लेकिन मैं पतली कभी नहीं हूँ. So I was very motu, और मेरे सर ने मैथ में, I was very weak in math actually. But 4th में हमने मैथ नहीं किया था, कुछ क्वेश्चंस गलत हो गए थे. उन्होंने पूरी नहीं टेबल्स, we were not able to tell the table of 23. उन्होंने 25 तक के टेबल दिए थे और मैंने नहीं बता पाया था, तो उन्होंने ना सबको मुर्गा बनाया था. एंड आपको पता है, I was not able to, मैं अपने कान नहीं पकड़ पा रही थी because of my heavy stomach. मेरा पेट इतना मोटा था, मेरे ना थाइस बहुत मोटे थे. आई वांट टू टेल यू, वो मेरे को अभी भी याद है. दैट वाज सो हॉरिबल. आई वाज नॉट एबल टू जैसे नीचे से हाथ लेकर वो ऐसे मैं पकड़ ही नहीं पा रही थी. तो उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि एक काम करो, अंदर से ऐसे हाथ मत डालो, ऐसे बाहर से पकड़ के रखो. एंड आई वाज ऑल रेड, मैं पूरी लाल हो गई थी पसीने से. एंड व्हेन आई वेंट टू होम, माय मदर सेड व्हाट हैपेंड. आई वाज लाइक पेनिंग, मैं चल ही नहीं पा रही थी बिकॉज आई वाज वेरी फैट. अब वो भी नुकसान था. So my mother told कि you go to school. मेरे पापा, my father is so dangerous man. मेरे पापा को बोला कि तो कल आप स्कूल जाना है, बोलना मैम को दैट, हाँ सर को बोलना, एक जैन सर थे तो बोलते, ऐसा कोई करता है क्या, लड़की है और वो ऐसे पैर दुख रहे हैं उसके, वो लाल मुंह था उसका, ऐसा दिख रही थी कि बाप रे क्या हो गया है इसको, मैं तो डरी गई थी। तो माय फादर टोल्ड माय मदर उसको बोलो कि अपना वजन कम करेगी ताकि मुर्गा बन जाए। So, my father had been so hilarious in that way. And my mother used to say कि my God, मतलब तुम्हारे पापा को कोई से को दुश्मन है ना, वो भी तो मिले। I remember, so yeah, मुर्गा बनना बहुत टफ होता था, मेरे लिए तो बहुत टफ था। मैं तो रस्सी भी कूदती थी ना, 2-3 के बाद मेरे पैर दुखने लग जाते थे because I was very fat. Okay, चलो next one. अरे who is next? Any other girl or man? अब तो लड़के ही बचे मेरे ख्याल से। Neetu is there. Neetu was absent yesterday, so I know that Neetu has one excuse that ma'am, I am not able to speak because I was not present yesterday. अभी कौन perform करेगा? Not Neetu, then who? Which boy will start?
Ma'am.
Anuj. Okay, let's listen to Anuj. Let's have Anuj's performance. One man army today, I would say.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, class. Today I told about my happiest day in my life. It's about my job. After graduation, I passed graduation. I was very confused about my futures. What can we do now? I have two ways. One is about my master, and second is doing any job. Then in confusion, I took admission in college for master, and I also searching for any part-time jobs due to my financial conditions. Then after 2 to 3 months, I got one notification for clerical job by HPSC. Then I fill that exam, and I prepare for that 2 to 3 months. After preparing that, I give that exam. After exams, in after 2 to 3 or 4 months, on 25th Feb 2016, I got a result. On that day, that is Thursday. On that day, usually I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I'll do finish my morning routines. After finish, I go to my college as normal, and after receiving two lectures, I got a text from my friends about the declaration of results. Then after finishing my lectures, I checked the list, and I was in that list. I'm very happy. I leave the college as quickly, and I go to home and tell to my parents about my result. That day I was very happy, and I think I was in achieving everything now. That's all, man.
Okay, wonderful. So you liked all that routine
Thank
and
you.
all that mehnat, I would say, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Very nice. Good one.
Thank you.
And it happens, nowadays, I don't know, people are very much, nowadays, students have changed their opinions. Now they want to be, they first they complete their studies and all, and they want to be the part of all that brain drain, कुछ बाहर जाएंगे, वहां पढ़ेंगे, वहां जॉब करेंगे, ऐसा भी होता है। लेकिन पहले, yes, I just want to tell you, when I passed my college, and as my English was not that good, so my father told me to join any English coaching. Then I joined Paramount, and I started, you won't believe, when I was 20 years old, when I completed my graduation, I had a job in my hand, and that was Paramount Institute. क्योंकि वो दिमाग में रहता है ना. Exactly. When I was 20 years old, I got this job. Still, I'm working with the same. It's been 11 years for me. I would say 10 years to me. It's like 30 running. And I am now married also. And everything I did, everything I have done my both the MAs with Paramount. I have done my B.Ed during Paramount. I have done all the things during this only. अभी थोड़ा सा अलग हो गया है ना, काम का एक अलग एक्शन प्लान है। पहले ऐसा होता था कि ग्रेजुएशन हुआ मतलब जॉब करना है, करेक्ट? अभी तो पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन
Yes,
के बाद भी पता नहीं चलता कि अच्छा जॉब भी करना है क्या। So it's so true. Good. Okay. सो लेट्स ज्वाइन द क्लास अगेन। और बाकी लोग जो है माइंड मेकअप करके बैठे हैं कि हमें परफॉर्म नहीं करना है, वो परफॉर्म करेंगे, ठीक है? सो कम ऑन, लेट आई एम ज्वाइनिंग इट अगेन, प्लीज प्लीज ज्वाइन अगेन।